Hello everyone, it's your graphics Uni. So today we are going to learn how to do disappear effect in Photoshop. Firstly, take a new file and then create it. Now take a photo. Now click on select subject. Then select the subject. Now press Ctrl+J twice. Go on the second layer. Now click on filter, then go on blur and then click on path blur. Now arrange it and set the settings in blur tool. Now arrange it properly and now set the settings and click OK. Now go on the filter and click on liquify option and brush it accordingly. Now go on the filter and click on the camera raw filters. Now set the settings and click OK. Now go on the first layer and click mask option. Take the brush tool and make sure the foreground color is black. Now brush it accordingly and boom, it's done. Like and subscribe for more such videos.